I showed in previous videos, traps to catch fish, using only the resources of nature. And in this video I want to show you how to make a trap that can be caught from rodent birds such as small animals, from a very common material in our region, wire-to-wire mesh. So let's go! These are the tire tube materials, wires and alloys, and also wire mesh. Many of the people who travel on these roads or rivers have these materials in their cars or boats. It's very simple to do. After making the wooden structure and tied with the alloys, just close it with the wire or the canvas. And then just make the door and the triggering mechanism. And as bait you can use a fruit, or even rice, corn if you have it, or you can even look for wild fruits. I use part of that tomato, rice, and corn. Now just arm and wait. I'll show you the armada and the firing mechanism. Already caught the first bird. It's a geridi. Remembering that we respect animals and nature, therefore, we will release all the birds and animals that we catch. We are showing you how to survive in a circumstance that is lost or isolated in our Amazonian jungle. This is one of the circumstances in which the laws of our country allow hunting. I took the second bird. It's an inhambu. This is a big bird and has a lot of meat. I'll release it too. I caught another jury in the other trap. I was suspicious that there were big animals eating the baits, so I left the trap unarmed, but I left the camera filming, so it didn't disarm. This animal we know here is skunk. I forgot to put the gall that blocked the trap door, so he left. Without a firearm, alone, in the most dangerous jungle in the world, I will survive what the jungle gives me. Hello my friends, who likes our channel O Reino Selvagem America. My name is Charles Araujo, straight from our Brazilian Amazon jungle. Come with me, discover the wildest, most exuberant jungle in the world. Jaguars, jararacas, electric fish, alligators, and all the dangers of our Amazon jungle. And survivalismo, with many adventures. It's Wild Kingdom America. Esmaguei suas cabeças debaixo do calcanhar e contra mim